If you have ever felt stuck in a real life German conversation, this video is your lifesaver. Today I will teach you 10 must known everyday German phrases that will make you sound smooth, confident and just like a local. So stick around till the end because the phrase number 8 and 9 will definitely make you sound like a native. Ready? Los geht's. So let's start with the most basic one, which is wie geht's. So wie geht's means how is it going? Let's imagine you meet your German neighbor for the first time. Instead of saying a robotic Guten Tag, you casually drop wie geht's. Boom, instantly you sound like more natural. And now let's learn how to respond, okay? You can either say mir geht's gut, danke und dir. I'm good, thanks, and you? Mir geht's gut, danke und dir. Or otherwise, if you're feeling meh, then you can just say es geht so. So es geht so means it's okay. And here's a pro tip. Germans often skip dir and just say und du. It sounds more casual. So instead of saying und dir, you could just say und du. The next phrase you should know is kein Problem, kein Problem. So kein Problem basically means no problem. So let's imagine you are in a cafe and someone bumps into you and spills a little coffee on your sleeve. And instead of getting flustered, you flash a smile and say kein Problem. And that basically means no problem. Germans love this phrase. It's their go-to for handling small mistakes and mishaps. And here are some other variations you can use instead of kein Problem. The first one is passt schon. Passt schon. So passt schon means no worries, it's fine. That's super casual. And the second one can be mach nichts. Mach nichts means it doesn't matter. Slightly old school but still useful. The next phrase you should learn, ich hätte gerne. Ich hätte gerne. That means I would like. So let's imagine you are at a restaurant ready to order the famous schnitzel. And instead of nervously pointing at the menu, you confidently say, ich hätte gerne ein Schnitzel mit Pommes. Ich hätte gerne ein Schnitzel mit Pommes. That means I would like a schnitzel with fries. Now you may ask, why not just say ich will? Ich will also means I want. Because ich will sounds too direct. Ich hätte gerne is the polite way to order things like food, drinks or tickets. The next phrase you should know is stimmt so. Stimmt so means keep the change. So let's imagine you are in Berlin paying for your delicious currywurst. The total is €4.80. You hand over €5 and instead of waiting for 20 cents change, you say with a cool smile, stimmt so. Stimmt so. That means keep the change. And here's a fun fact, Germans don't tip as much as in the US, but this phrase makes you sound supernatural at restaurants, cafes or taxis. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you want to take your German to the next level, then you can just join my German A1 and A2 program. And the link to my programs you can find down below in the description. Now let's continue with the video. The next phrase you should learn is Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? That means, can you repeat that please? So let's imagine you are at that train station and a loudspeaker mumbles something in super fast in German. You have no idea what was just said and instead of panicking, you politely ask the person next to you, Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? So you are basically asking the person right to you to repeat the announcement. And why it's important? Germans tend to speak fast, especially in cities. And this phrase saves you from confusion every time. And here's the casual version. So if you're talking to your friend, then you can just say, Kannst du das bitte wiederholen? Kannst du das bitte wiederholen? The translation is the same, can you repeat that? But in this case, you can see we used kannst instead of können. So for formally you say sie, but in informally you say du. That's why kannst du. But if you don't know the person, you say können Sie das bitte wiederholen? The next phrase you should learn is ich bin nicht von hier. Ich bin nicht von hier. That means I am not from here. Let's imagine you are lost in a small German town. You ask for directions, but the person responds in rapid native speed German. And instead of standing there blinking, you simply say ich bin nicht von hier. Ich bin nicht von hier. That means I am not from here. This phrase helps locals realize that you are new and makes them slow down or even switch to English. The next phrase you should learn is alles klar. Alles klar. All good or got it. This is the most common phrase you will hear every time. So let's imagine your German friend explains how to buy a train ticket and when they are done, you nod and say alles klar. Alles klar. So alles klar means got it. And it's like saying okay cool in English, casual, easy and used all the time. The next phrase you should know is das macht Sinn. Das macht Sinn. That means that makes sense. Let's imagine a scenario. Your friend explains why German has 3 different words for the. At first it's confusing, but then you finally get it and say, ah, das macht Sinn. Ah, das macht Sinn. That means, ah, that makes sense. And here's a pro tip. German used to say, das ergibt Sinn, but das macht Sinn has become more common. So you can say either das ergibt Sinn or you can just simply say das macht Sinn. The next phrase you should learn is ich habe es eilig. Ich habe es eilig. That means I am in a hurry. Let's imagine you are late for your train and someone stops you to chat, but you don't have time. Instead of being rude, just say tut mir leid, ich habe es eilig. Tut mir leid, ich habe es eilig. Sorry, I am in hurry. This phrase is a lifesaver. It lets you to leave quickly without sounding rude. The last and final phrase you should learn is lass uns gehen. Lass uns gehen. That means let's go. Let's imagine you and your friends are at a party. It's getting late and you are ready to leave. Instead of saying shall we go, you can just confidently say lass uns gehen. Lass uns gehen. That basically means let's go. And here's a casual version. If you are talking to one person, then you can just say los geht's. Los geht's. That also means let's go. So that means if there are more than one person, you say lass uns gehen. But if there is only one person, you say los geht's. And there you have it. 10 essentials everyday German phrases to help you sound more natural, confident and fluent. And let me just finish it with a question. Which phrase was your favorite? Comment below. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.